up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. Today I'll be finishing up a whole bunch of little things on the Jaguar. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, go check them out. This thing was wrecked. It did not look like this before. We did a lot of work to it. Today I'll be finishing up a whole bunch of little stuff on it, taking it to the alignment shop, getting the airbag light cleared, and I'll take you guys with me. Let's give you guys a cold start. Check this out though. Guess it doesn't want to do it. When you lock the doors, boom. That's pretty sick. Then you unlock it, those pop out, those come out. Pretty cool feature. All right, let's get it started. Man, this thing never gets old. All right, let's go. I don't know why the headlight thing is blinking. I have to get that checked out. And also for some reason it doesn't want to shift manually. Right there, manual shift disabled. Have to look into that too. This thing definitely needs alignment. The steering wheel is a lot to the left. Hopefully we don't have to change any suspension parts, but anything is possible. Man, this thing sounds so sick. Let's give it a little pull. They lost traction, and it is all-wheel drive. It's pretty crazy. I mean, it is a 5.0 supercharged, but it's pretty fast. Man, I love how it sounds. It sounds so sick. Alright, alignment is done and this thing drives so much better. It drives straight. Before it was like everywhere on the road. Also, our headlight warning light turned off. I'm not sure if I had to do something with the alignment or what, but it turned off and it's good now. The only thing we have is the airbag light and then the manual shift disabled for some reason. But we'll go do the airbag light right now and then see what we'll do about the manual shift. Let's give it some more pulls. All right, we made it to L&D Solutions. We'll go see if we have to take out the computer to get the airbag light cleared. They are actually doing my GT-R seat belts. Let me show you guys. All right, here's the GT-R, and we're actually doing a complete color change of the seat belt. Has the red stitching on the side, which will match the seats. Doesn't look pretty sweet. All right, it's actually next day here, guys. I didn't drop off the Jaguar just yet. They weren't done with the GT-R, but they are finished now. So I'm gonna go drop off the Jaguar, pick up the GT-R, and then we'll get the Jaguar airbag light fixed. All right, guys, we're back at L&D and check out the seat belts. They got them installed and these look so sick. They match the seats very nice. I didn't want to do all red because the color was a little different than this, but the stitching on the sides looks really good. We're gonna leave the Jaguar here. They're gonna actually fix the airbag light. They have to take out the module. Check that out. Got a Lamborghini Performante. This thing was actually wrecked as well. It got rebuilt over here by Foreign Builds. You guys should check them out. This thing looks super sick. It's like brand new. All right, guys, a few days have passed. We got the Jaguar back. It's right here, and the airbag light is off. They cleared it. They had to take out the module, reset it. Let me show you guys. Give you guys a little start. Wait for it. Boom. No more airbag light. Quiet mode. Now. All right, now that that's done, the only thing we have to do is this under tray or whatever this is called. We have to take this off of the old bumper and throw it on the new one. And then this car is basically done. There'll be nothing else to do. All right, we got the shield off the old bumper over there. It's right here. It does need some love. I'm gonna get a heat gun, heat this up, trying to straighten it out a little bit over here, over there. But other than that, it's not that bad, and it'll be under the car, so you really won't be able to see it at all. So let's get that fixed, throw it on here. Okay, I straightened everything out as much as I can. It's still a little bent over here, but once I put in the bolts, everything will look good. Now it's time to raise up the Jaguar and put the last piece of the puzzle on. I got the cover on. Everything is done on this car. It's all done. It's 100% there. And now, as I promised, I will be putting it against the GT-R. Statistically, the GT-R should be faster. But after driving the Jaguar, I am not too sure about that. This thing is fast. It is super fast. So let's go hit up Mexico and see which one's faster. Let's warm this baby up. Put it all in R mode. We're gonna go against that. All right, guys, let's see a little pull right now. That thing sounds sick. One more time. All right, guys, we had our fun. Thankfully, we didn't get pulled over by any Mexican police, but the GT-R is faster. You could feel the power difference. Don't get me wrong, the Jaguar is really fast. That thing actually catches up really nice. There was a time where the Jaguar started first and it was actually really hard for me to catch up on the GT-R, but the GT-R is still a little quicker at the end of the day. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on you guys' post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. There is some new builds coming to the channel, hopefully pretty soon here. You guys don't want to miss out on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.